Riwruok mar jopuonj mapuonjo ji manigi ng'ol manokusne to kwayo Migago mar Somo mondo non pok mar omenda mochiwne nyithindo manigi ng'ol mopogore opogore. Kane giloso bang' romo mane gibedo godo, jagoro maduong' mar kamitino James Tomore ogolo paro ni pok mar omenda kind 2,000 nyaka 20,000 ma ichiwo ne jopuonjre mantiere skunde mag primary gi sekondar ok rom kendo tin kalore gi pek mar ngima. To Rome okwayo Migago mar Somo mondo luong romo kodgi mapiyo piyo mar chiwo pachgi e wach makama.
Sometimes we also find classes with the learners that are not being attended. Still, with the teachers who are deployed both in units and also in the regular classes, such that these teachers cannot handle properly the learners. So we want to ask the TSC to follow up this matter and ensure that our learners are well attended. Deploy the teachers because we have teachers who have been well trained for these areas at all categories, so that we can have adequate staffing. We needed an improvement of funding so that those sports can take place and make fun, get adequate participation from the learners.
The 2,000 is not enough for primary. 20,000 for secondary is not enough. So we are asking the new minister to adjust the figure to meet the market rate. The prices of sugar have shot. The prices of wheat flour have shot. The workforces in this institution have gone up. So we are asking the Minister for Education to review the gazettement, which was gazetted by Professor Kaimenyi, for our head of institutions to be able to run this institution.
Nya koroma kapoka uyoyo wa mokwongo ntiere jogo ma loso kodwa kendo miyo pachgi weche mopogore opogore. An ng'at maluongre ni Austin Amimo Bondo. Austin wacho ni CBC poko